Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all curry lovers and fans of bold flavors as we are taking you on a culinary adventure to South India to explore a legendary dish. It's Kerala style Varutharacha chicken curry. Get ready for an explosion of aroma and flavors. The warm fragrance of roasted spices mingles with the creamy coconut and tender chicken, creating a dish that will tantalize your taste buds. Every bite is a journey to South India. So are you ready to embark on a flavor adventure? Let's ditch the takeout and create an authentic Kerala style Varutharacha chicken curry. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also do share my recipes with your friends and family. So now let's begin. First, in a hot pan add oil, add 5 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom, half tablespoon black peppercorns, half tablespoon fennel seeds, and then fry this for few seconds. Then add 150 grams of fresh grated coconut and fry this until it is nice and light brown. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 20 to 25 curry leaves, and fry this for about 2 minutes until the masala is nicely cooked. Then leave this aside and cool it down. Then take a mixer jar, add the coconut and spice mix which was previously made. Then add 1 cup water and blend this to a paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 20 to 25 curry leaves, add 2 green chilies and fry this for few seconds. Then add 1 onion sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 kg chicken and add some salt to taste and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry this for about another 2 minutes. Then add the masala paste which was previously made and then give this a really nice mix. And then cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. Then give this a nice mix and add 2 cups water. Then give this a mix and add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give this a nice mix. And then cook it until the curry is nice and thick. Cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it guys, a steaming pot of Kerala style Varutharacha chicken curry ready to transport you to the heart of South India. Look at that vibrant color and the glistening chicken pieces, a feast for the eyes and a celebration of Kerala cuisine. This dish isn't just about flavor, it's a culture experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious and authentic Indian recipes like this one. If you prefer a milder curry, simply adjust the amount of chili powder or red chilies in the spice mix. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra touch of Kerela, serve your Varutharacha chicken curry with fluffy upmas and fragrant steamed rice. Now go forth and explore the vibrant flavors of Kerala. This Varutharacha chicken curry recipe is a great place to start. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.